All right, so these next two pages are just working in the two other key signatures that we had looked at a few pages ago. So today we're going to look at the F major scale. So just like the G major scale from the previous page, we're going to practice drawing a few of those copies of those key signatures, this time of the F major scale, which has one flat on the B flat line. And that'll happen up top, of course. Then write the scale of F major in the treble clef, one octave ascending, so going up, and mark the half steps. Write the scale of F major in the bass clef, one octave descending, and mark the half steps, and then do a little bit of identifying. So I'll give you a couple hints and tricks to get through this page real quick. All right, so first off, drawing the key signature, I'll draw one for you, and of course you can carry on doing the rest. The key signature of F major, if you remember, has one flat on the B line. So it'll be here. And in fact, I'll just use red because I've been doing that most of the time. Make sure the body of the symbol goes right through that line. We don't want it the majority on the space below or above or anywhere else. You want it cutting right through that middle line. And in the bass clef, of course, it's the same thing, but you're going to be on the correct B line, which in the bass clef is on the second line. So that's your key signature. Writing the scale of F major in the treble clef, one octave. So you need a couple things, don't forget. And let me just highlight them here. Treble clef, one octave, ascending, half steps. You need 4 aspects of this question, all right? On the next one, same idea. Bass clef, only one octave, which is every scale. This time going down, and mark the half steps. Don't forget, when you are going down, when you are descending a scale, you're starting on note 8, right? You're starting at note 8 at the beginning, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 as you descend through the scale. So that you can do on your own. And then at the bottom, identify the major scales. Simply investigate what's happening. All right, so for the first one, identify these major scales. Well, what can you look for? First of all, the first and most obvious thing would be the key signature. Okay, this 1 sharp, if you remember from the last lesson, 1 sharp gives us a clue about G major. Okay, I put a little G plus to tell me that's what the key signature says. Now, do the notes agree with the key of G major? You know that a G major scale needs to start on the note G and end on the note G. If this scale does that from G to G, following the key signature, then you have a G major scale. This key signature looks like, well, the one on this page, F major. And are we going from F to F? Well, yes, we are. And which direction? So, for example, in the first question, we can see that we're in G major. We're going from G to G. So your answer would be something like this. Oh, hang on, let me just see. And we're in the treble clef as well, right? Treble clef. So, what is this scale? This is G major, treble clef. Whoops, if I could spell, that would be great. T-R-E-B-L-E, treble clef, 1 octave, ascending. Okay, and you would put those 4 pieces of information for all of these scales that are below. So the scale, the clef, how many octaves, and which way, ascending or descending. You're going to do that for those 4 questions. When I did the first one with you, all right? So that's this lesson. The next one will be just as short and sweet because it's just working in the other key signature. All right, off you go. Have fun.